Hey girlfriends, welcome to Sister Girl Second Act, where we do intuitive cooking for women over 60. Today I'm going to be making crock-pot smothered chicken, and I'll have a side with it. It took me a little while because I've been watching my game, and as you know, many of you may know, my team, the Patriots, I'm giving prompts to all of them. I'm so happy. It's about time. We coming back. But anyway, in regards to the show today, I'm going to make, as I said, smothered crock-pot chicken, and I think I'll have some corn on the side. So, you know what to do. Get a drink, get a snack, come on back, and let's get started. I've taken the chicken, washed it, seasoned it, put it into a crock pot, set it on high, and this is what we have. Put the top on and just let it do its own thing for a couple of hours. So as you can see, the chicken is about ready. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm going to take it out, make some gravy, put it back in the pot. Then I'm going to be serving it with, I think, a side of corn today. Maybe some rice. I don't know yet, but this looks so good. So I've taken a little bit of flour, mixed it up with some water, and I'm going to go ahead and put this into the crock pot to thicken the juices up in there to make a delicious gravy. All right, now let's go ahead and take this over to the crock pot. As you can see, pour it in there. I am going to mix it up, and the heat will thicken it up. Once it thickens, I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken back into this. It's starting to thicken up now. Can't see with all of the heat. Oh yeah. So what I'm going to do is let this cook a little bit and get thick, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken breast back in it. So there's a nice thick gravy. Oh wow. This is starting to look good already. And as you can see, I put the chicken back in there. I'm going to let it thicken up a little bit more. Then we'll take it out and I will plate it out. Look at this. Basically, it fell apart, but it's still delicious. I'm going to put a little bit more gravy over the top of it. This, oh my goodness, it's going to melt in your mouth. Yes. Wow. Look at this. Basically, it fell apart, but it's still delicious. I'm going to put a little bit more gravy over the top of it. This, oh my goodness, it's going to melt in your mouth. Yes. Wow. And here you have it. Smothered chicken thighs with corn. Look at that. It basically almost fell apart. And that's going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. As you could see, how easy was that? Some chicken, I seasoned it, put it in a crock pot, let it cook, It cooked until it fell off the bone. That's what I'm talking about, comfort food. You know what I mean? Also, prompts to my team, New England Patriots. Yes, yes, yes. My hometown. Gotta give them prompts. All right. In the meantime, before I forget, tune in to my podcast called Second Act Rediscovered. It's on iHeart, Apple, and Spotify, where we talk about things in regards to our second act. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. It's on every single Thursday. So until next time, take care. Have a fantastic week. I'll talk to you later. All right now. Bye.